Did you know that people can't get enough of watching animal videos on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels? Take a look at channels like Giggles Muse. They've amassed 1.2 million followers and over 190 million views with just 40 short videos. How incredible is that? They're sharing adorable and hilarious clips of animals, and people just can't stop watching. And guess what? There are tons of other YouTube channels like these, racking up millions of views with every adorable animal video they drop. It's a whole world of cuteness out there, and people are loving it. Imagine if you could start doing this too, even without making your own animal videos. Yes, you heard that right. You can copy animal videos from Chinese apps, repurpose them by adding your own originality and humor, and re-upload them on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. And guess what? You can start making thousands of dollars through AdSense and affiliate marketing. Now you might be wondering about copyright issues. Well, here's the deal. YouTube and Instagram are banned in China, so there's almost no chance that your videos will be flagged for copyright. Plus, by adding your own unique flair, you'll make these videos stand out as your own creations. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to get these adorable animal videos from Chinese apps and repurpose them with the help of AI. I'll also show you how you can start making thousands of dollars by promoting your affiliate links from Amazon and Clickbank to sell pet foods and accessories. It's easier than you think. So hit that like and subscribe button, grab a glass of wine, and let's get into details. Step 1. Let's find some cute animal videos. There are popular Chinese apps like Douyin, the Chinese version of TikTok, and Xiaohongshu that have lots of animal content. We will use the Xiaohongshu app. Go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Xiaohongshu, then download and register. If it doesn't work in your region, use a VPN to download and use the app. After downloading, register, and you will reach a page where you need to select up to 4 interests. Make sure to include pets and animals, then submit. Once in the app, you should see lots of animal videos. You can also select pets on the Explore page. Look for videos with many views, like those with 100,000 views. In this guide, we will find and repurpose 2 videos. One adorable dog video without subtitles, and one cat video with subtitles, so we can learn how to remove the Chinese subtitles. Let's start by finding a cute dog video. Here is a video with 104,000 views of 2 cute dogs. Click to view the channel. The channel has over 451,000 followers and over 3 million likes, which is great because it shows their videos are popular. If we repurpose their videos, people will likely love to watch them. Browse through their other videos, and here is one with 238,000 views. Select the video. Step 2. Download the video. To download the video, click the share button at the top right corner of the video and copy the link. It will copy the link along with the channel name and video description, so make sure you only copy the link. To download the video, open your browser and search for Xiaohongshu Video Downloader. Select the site named shuianla.com and paste the video link into the provided field and click Parse. Then choose Download the video. When the video opens, click the 3 dots and select Download to save the video to your device. Step 3. Repurposing the video. The next step is to edit our video and add our humor and originality. Let's start by getting a funny caption for the video. To do this, we'll use ChatGPT to come up with a humorous caption. We'll describe the scenes in our video to ChatGPT and ask for short, funny captions. Here is the exact prompt I'm giving to ChatGPT, and then I submit it. In less than 2 seconds, ChatGPT gives us several humorous captions for the video. Some of the cool ones include, "When you're living that 5-star pup life," "When your dog's spa day costs more than your last vacation," and "When your dog's weekend plans are better than yours." Again. We'll use, "When your dog's weekend plans are better than yours." Again. It sounds pretty cool, so we save it. You might wonder why we need to add a humorous caption since the original video doesn't have one. Adding a funny caption makes our video unique and more original. When viewers read the caption while watching the video, it makes the video more humorous and interesting because they imagine the caption as they watch. It also encourages viewers to comment on the video, increasing engagement. Now that we've chosen our caption, the next step is to continue editing the video by adding some unique parts and putting our caption in it. We'll use a powerful AI tool called Capcut for this. Capcut is an easy-to-use online video editing tool that makes video editing simple, even if you've never done it before. With Capcut, you can edit your videos quickly, even if you're a beginner, in less than 10 minutes. To start using Capcut, click on the link in the description to create a new account once you have done that and logged into Capcut. First, click Create Project. Then, click Import to select and upload all the files you need. After importing, drag the video to the timeline below. To add text to your image, click Text in the top right corner. Paste the text you want to appear on the video in the text box. It will be automatically added to the video. Adjust the text by selecting a style, font, and size you like. Then, drag your text to the part of the video where you want it to be. To add animation to the text, click Animation and choose the one you like. Next, add sound effects by clicking Audio. You can import your own sounds or use Capcut's built-in sound effects. To use Capcut sounds, click Audio, search for a sound effect, or browse and listen to find one you like. When you find a sound effect you want, drag it to the timeline below the video. Drag additional sound effects to the specific scenes you want them in. To add effects to the video, click Effects, choose the one you want, and drag it to the exact scene where you want it to appear. When you're done, click Save and let Capcut render your video. Then download it. Let's watch it together. Fantastic, isn't it? Now we've repurposed a dog video without any Chinese text. Let's repurpose a second video, this time a cat video with some Chinese text on it. First, we need to translate the text on the Chinese video to English. If you have the latest iPhone, you can take a screenshot of the video, open the screenshot, and copy the text. If your phone can't copy text directly from an image, you can use an online tool. Go to Google and search for copy text from an image. Select a website like imagetotext.io. Upload the image by clicking on Browse. After it uploads, click on Submit and Extract. This will take a few seconds. Once you have the extracted text, copy it. Next, go to ChatGPT to translate the Chinese text to English. Ask it to translate the text. For example, the translated text says, "Grandma is drying grain at home. The kitten helps by catching grasshoppers and little birds." Now, we need to remove the original Chinese text on the video and replace it with the English text. We will also repurpose the video to make it original. Like we did with the dog video, we will use Capcut. Open Capcut, click on Create Project, then click on Import and upload the video. Next, drag the video to the timeline. Then, mute the video to replace its original sound with our own. To mute it, click the volume button beside the timeline. Now let's add sticky text to our image. Click Text at the top right corner. Paste the text you want to appear on the video in the text box. This will be automatically added to the video. Adjust the text style, choose a style that adds a background to cover the original Chinese text. Select the font and adjust the size as you like. Drag your text on top of the original Chinese text and adjust it. To add animation to the text, click Animation and choose your desired animation. Next, add background music since we muted the original. Click Audio, search for a suitable sound or import your own. Drag it to the timeline below the video. Then add sound effects to different scenes by searching and dragging them individually. Once done, click Save and let Capcut render your video. Now our video is ready. Let's watch it together. Now that our videos are ready, it's time to take action. Create your YouTube Shorts channel and start uploading them. Don't forget to include your affiliate links. To kickstart your affiliate marketing journey in this niche, first, create an affiliate account with Amazon or Clickbank. Once you've set that up, Head to Amazon and search for pet-related products. There are tons of them available. Choose the ones with good sales and reviews, create affiliate links for those products, and put them in your bio or on your channel page. You can also add them in the comments of your videos and pin them. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can start earning thousands of dollars from your channel in no time. Remember, consistency is key. Keep uploading regularly and engage with your audience. So there you have it. A straightforward way to make money with cute animal videos without even creating your own content. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel to support us, and we'll be motivated to keep bringing you more money-making tips. See you on the next video.